Hi. Welcome to The Meditation Way. Before watching this video about meditation, don't forget to subscribe for more free videos about meditation. So now let's start. What are the various forms of meditation? Meditation is simply a method by which an individual engages in a state of mind, focused upon a single thing or concept, and in which he or she trains focus and awareness towards the subject, thus achieving a peaceful and tranquil state of mind. Many forms of meditation can be utilized, but the three most common methods are concentration meditation, yoga, and Tai Chi. Each of these has its own purpose, however, and they all have a profound impact upon the quality of a person's life. Concentration meditation, also known as quieting the mind, requires an individual to focus and concentrate upon his or her surroundings while focusing on one's breathing. When this procedure is complete, the person relaxes fully and allows himself or herself to experience a deep sense of calmness and tranquility. This form of meditation is highly effective in reducing stress levels. Yoga is another popular form of meditation, which requires the individual to control breathing, slow down, and concentrate on a certain aspect of their body, such as breathing patterns. Yoga involves the exercise of a certain system of postures, as well as the proper breathing techniques. This form of meditation is effective in achieving balance and tranquility, especially for individuals who are experiencing emotional stress. Tai Chi meditation is also beneficial in attaining a calm, stress-free state of mind. The exercises performed during this method of meditation focus on proper coordination and breathing techniques, which allow the practitioner to feel more relaxed and centered, thereby lowering his or her stress levels. Tai Chi is an excellent option for individuals who are constantly under pressure because it is both relaxing and effective at reducing anxiety and tension. It is important to note that these types of meditation are often used to alter one's lifestyle and affect his or her life in ways that may not necessarily involve changing his or her physical appearance. It is difficult to change one's physical appearance or to completely change a person's mind or behavior, but by practicing meditation, the individual may be able to successfully change his or her thoughts and emotions, and even the way he or she perceives things around them. This form of meditation is very effective in attaining a sense of peace and tranquility in the mind and body. Because each of these forms of meditation can change the way an individual sees and interacts with his or her daily life, the results are often dramatic. In fact, it may be difficult to find a person who does not practice one or more forms of meditation. Meditation not only helps the individual to relax and distress, but also to maintain a healthy level of self-esteem, which is essential in the modern world. There are various methods of meditation that can be utilized. However, there are three basic methods: mantra meditation, contemplation meditation, and visualization. Meditation does not have to be confined to specific goals, though, as the purpose of the practice is to achieve peace and tranquility and to experience positive changes in one's mental, physical, and emotional well-being. It is also a natural, healthy way of experiencing inner peace, which can be beneficial in dealing with the stress in one's life and maintaining a relaxed state of mind. Meditation not only requires a calm mind and a relaxed body, but also a keen sense of concentration. In order to obtain the greatest benefits from meditation, one needs to train the mind to focus. Achieving a state of meditation requires an individual to be willing to focus on what he or she is doing without distraction and to be willing to let go of habitual patterns and behaviors that block the mind from entering into a meditative state. The practice of meditation involves the use of various meditative postures such as those found in yoga, hatha yoga, qigong, and meditation with mantras. Meditation techniques are different depending on the individual practitioner and the goal that they seek. The most common form of meditation is mantra meditation, which involves repeating an affirmation, such as, "I am peaceful, I am calm." Another form is contemplation meditation, which entails being aware of your breathing as it occurs throughout your day, and then allowing yourself to let go of negative thoughts and habits. Visualization is another type of meditation and involves picturing a serene landscape or a place that has a calming effect. When practicing these various forms of meditation, it is important to remember that each of these techniques takes time and effort, as they require a willingness to let go and allow oneself to be fully aware of his or her actions, thoughts, feelings, and thoughts. By allowing oneself to relax, a sense of peace and tranquility will be achieved, which will help to relieve the mental, physical, and emotional stresses that one experiences. Through this relaxation and peace, the individual will also be able to deal with the stress in one's life. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video for more about meditation.